This is your boy Richie Mo back at it again with another video. I want to give a special shout out to every one of you guys watching the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like, subscribe. We're growing every single day. Today is a special day. Today we are getting ready for my car show, car meet, whatever you want to call it. I'm hosting a car meet out there in San Francisco way. I'm excited. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I heard there's some car meets out there in the area that we're going to be at. We're going to be in Daly City. And I'm excited to see how this goes. I got one of the homies meeting up with me before I go to my pre-meet. There's people gonna be at the pre-meet. Then we're gonna cruise to SF. I'm gonna record this whole process. First off, whoever comes out to the car meet, whoever you guys are that came out to the car meet, I want to let you know ahead of time. Thank you so much for coming out and supporting. If you have made it out, thank you guys so much. But yeah, this is cool. It's just something I wanted to do. I posted it 2 weeks ago, so I don't know the turnout, but I'm hoping for a good turnout. That's all I can say. So yeah, enough of me talking. I gotta go take the car to go to the car wash, go to the drive-through car wash, because I didn't have enough time. It wasn't enough time for me to do anything because I'm hosting the meet today at 6 o'clock, so it's very early, and I'm coming from an hour away. Yeah, so let's just get this day going. Thank you guys for watching. Let's get it popping, man. We out. All right, y'all. Check out the views, man. Very, very blessed. So today we are going to take the Teggy. Well, it's going to take the 350Z, but I have a little issues. We're going to roll this one. Check out the new banner. Nice. I'm going to get this car washed. Let's see the channel. I should have washed my car earlier, and now I'm waiting. I've been sitting here for a minute. It's just killing time. I'm supposed to be at my pre-meet at 5 o'clock. Oh my fucking god, people are so slow. But the bro pulled up over there at the gas spot. See the camo? But yeah, we're here. Let's get in. Bridge. Squad right behind me, man. We out here pulling up. Welcome to Daly City, baby. But this is San Francisco we at. And yeah, it's crazy. Look at the clouds, man. On this side, it's like super cold and foggy and rainy. And on the other side of the Bay Area, it's all hot. But this is cool. We're almost there, man. We're running a little late. As you can see, it's 6:15. We're supposed to be there by 6 o'clock. Next time I'm hosting it a little later, but yeah, we're on the way. Traffic though, beautiful Bay Area. All right, so the car meet is officially starting good. The bro Mike aka Yui, and that red eye Hellcat wide body. So we're about to come over here and record it. There's a lot of cars that's already pulling up. This is my first time ever hosting a car meet out this way. Oh, this shit go hard. I like this right here. This car is hard. Damn. This shit go hard. What is that? Oh, yeah, that shit goes hard. That's a sick one. I like that. That's it. So many cars here. Jesus Christ. The bro Mike is here. Let's see. There goes the homie Mike is in the building. Woo, woo. Jesus. Alright, Rev Garage. Make sure you guys go follow him right now on the YouTube channel. Yeah, see? Damn, look at that thing. The homie Mike, boy. Man. Bro, you got here too quick. Damn, man. Check out that red eye. Yeah. So, here at this car meet, and everything's going well. But yeah, cool turnout so far. We got more people. We got more people coming. More people pulling up. So this meet should be good. So the whole thing is there's 3 meets out here in Daly City, and they are coming from different locations. Oh my God, that Z right there is. Oh, for real? Damn, my bad. Damn, look at that shit though. That shit clean as fuck. Ooh-wee. That thing is sick. Never put food on your guy's car. Oh, that's cool. Let's see. Got nice cars. Alright, we're about to get like a little shit going on in here. This thing right here, man. The bro pulled up in the beast.
No, it's 2020. It's 2020.
Nah.
Chill.
Hey, it's sexy as hell though. Damn, man.
Yeah, this is it right here.
Shit, bro. Damn, this thing is good. Oh, because you added that too, right?
Added the carbon star spirits, yeah.
This is beautiful, bro. I know. I have my GTR t-shirt on. I just took that shit off. Damn, man. Bro came through. Showing love and support, man. I appreciate it, bro. Hell yeah.
Gotta show love to the homie real quick.
Oh, you already know. You already know. Appreciate it, bro. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it, bro. Yeah, one day I'm gonna pull up mine's be parked right here next to him.
Yeah, there we go.
It's gonna get there, man. You guys keep supporting me, man. I appreciate it though. But no, bro, I really appreciate you coming through, supporting me, man. For real. For real. That means a lot, bro. Seriously. But this, man, bro.
Not yet.
Let me see this thing.
I think that's the goal, man.
Yeah. Oh, I fucking knew it. I knew. I was like, that guy looks familiar. I was like, that guy works out. I know him from somewhere.
Man, yeah, bro came through. Bro came through, man, supporting. Bro, shit came through, man. This is real cool, homie. He actually came down and showed me support. And he always hits me up on Instagram. He always talks to me about the process of how he got his GTR, and he always put me on game with how to go about getting a GTR like he did. He got a older year, but he got a great deal with this car. Okay. But super sick. This is super sick, man. Goals and dreams.
What year is this?
2010. So
I'm gonna fix this already.
no. I
It's just really clean.
Look at that thing. Damn. Whew.
Alex, he also owns a GTR. This is no. Water gets in. The onion.
Damn, that shit's sick, bro.
Oh, it's so fun.
It looks so fucking nice. Why they didn't do this to the fucking Z's, man?
You know the new Infiniti Q is the same motor, right?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, that's the baby
Fucking
GT.
GT.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
And it's on the 4-door.
No, it is.
Yeah, I should have bought a.
No, Brandon and I would.
This shit is insane.
See how. Oh, he's been hurt, yeah. But I was like, that's Brandon though.
Look at that super right there.
So I'm Red Eye 415. Got the channel right here. Invite me to the meet.
Hell yeah.
Cool. Yeah, dude.
See, this is Bill right here. This is one of his new cars. You guys got to go. Let me flip the camera. You guys got to go check his channel out. He just bought this car for your birthday, right?
Yeah, my wife.
His wife got his car, one of his dream cars right here. So he got a lot of Hondas. Well, how many you got? He got a lot of Hondas. So all you guys that support me with my Honda channel, make sure you guys go to his channel. It's right here on the video. Make sure you guys go to his channel and subscribe to his channel and tell him Richie Rich Mo send you guys. Make sure you guys go support him, man. He's doing his thing. He's been grinding. I've been watching his stuff too. So make sure you guys go show him some love. And like I said, right here on this video, you're gonna see his page name. Make sure you guys go show him some love, man. And I appreciate you for coming out, bro.
Yeah,
always
man.
coming out showing love. And we still gotta do a collab. For real,
hell
for real.
yeah, dude, we gotta do something.
Yeah, so I'm free any day. So just let me know whenever you got time or whenever a day off. We do it, but make sure you guys hit him up, like I said, and yeah, let's see what else here.
Guys, look at